Someone can sit there. So far, we discussed about the definition of the stress, and then we saw the stress, how it is affecting, and we have understood that stress is not always bad. If you carry this notion in your mind, this understanding in your mind that stress is bad, that thought will cause more damage than the real stress. It is not the stress is causing the damage. It is your thought which is causing you damage. Okay? Is that clear now? You understand? We'll go to the next. See, these are in the simple format, the same thing. This is taken from the WHO, World Health Organization. Okay? So, the type of diseases which are related with the stress. Is that clear? We'll go to the next. Thank you. Now we will see the effects of stress. Let me tell you another fact. I am telling you a survey report. In America, which is the most advanced country, okay, every fifth person is depressed. What is the ratio? Yes. They have experienced depression in the coming past 10 years, minimum once. Okay? There may not be any, so many, physical diseases like cancer or heart or this or that or lungs. Alright? But in a small city like London, which has a population much less than Hyderabad, far less than Hyderabad, that small city of London, there are 32 big mental hospitals bigger than NIMS.
Welcoming Shri Mahashringa Dasa, who is the director of ISKCON Kukatpalli Center, who is amidst us to deliver a lecture on stress management. To give you a brief background about him, he has done his honours graduation from Calcutta University with specialization in chemistry. He is a sportsman and has participated in water sports and represented twice in the national games on behalf of Andhra Pradesh. He is practicing Krishna consciousness for the last 30 years and has specialized in psychological issues.
Right? Any bullet can come at any moment. Okay? So this is it. All these important persons are always under stress. This has become a part of our life nowadays. Next. In essence, one killer medically proven. Now, simultaneously, this is another fact. I was telling about how stress is good. Now you see, this is the other side of the coin. The stress is the cause of the major diseases nowadays. The biggest cause of cancer, the biggest cause of, suicide. 60% of the people who commit suicide are found to be chronically stressed out. Okay? Highly depressed people, they are stressed out. So this stress is the cause of so many diseases, not one or two, innumerable diseases. High blood pressure, strokes, clitoris and irritability, rheumatism, depression, migraine, diabetes, all these so many diseases, a number of them are due to the change in our psychological and bodily functions, and they result in severe stress. So this is definitely, stress is due to very recent past, thus not much damaging. And once it is over, you forget it. After 3 days, you don't no more remember. It is not that damaging. Okay? Next. Can you go to the next one? sorry, there is some change. Okay, you go to the previous. Now you see, this is chronic stress. Result of a long period of stress causes loss of memory, appetite, reckless behavior, fight or flight. So, most of the time, especially in youth nowadays, not in your age, you will be finding this reckless behavior. They will be taking great risk, maybe driving very fast. So not because they are very courageous. There is a difference between courageous and reckless. If they are courageous, they will opt for the Indian Army. So it's not so. They are reckless. Okay? They just want to have some thrill. Very speed driving. Doing some this type of activities. Or entering in some fight all of a sudden. Okay? So these things are seen. And similarly in your life also you can find out with the clients and for your customers, so many times suddenly they will outburst. So that is due to the severe stress. So increased attention, interest, boredom. Now see, there are two things. When the stress is less, no stress practically, zero stress. What happens? There is boredom. Okay, you are feeling very lethargic, nothing to do, right? And when there is optimum stress, what happens? You have a good working capacity, that we'll see in the next slide. Please go to the next. You see this here, Olympics. So, when these people are running, athletes are running, there is so much of stress. But due to the stress, every fourth year, they are able to break their records. Right? So this is an example of positive stress. So there is positive stress. Due to this positive stress, there is competition and people excel in their whatever field of line of activity. Whether it is banking or whether it is some industry or whether it is politics, people try to perform better and better and better. That happens when there is stress. Without stress, nobody will be trying to excel, right? So, if we do not know how to overcome it, it will be really very lethal. It will damage us. Next. So, stress-induced hypertension, effects of metabolic processes, hampered growth, decrease in testosterone levels in male and irregular menstrual cycle in the females, irritable bowel syndrome and sleep deprivation or the insomnia. So all these diseases, see, we are prescribing the medicines, but that is not the solution. That is a patch-up. I am not talking about patch-up, I am talking about the solution. Removing the cause. If we remove the cause, we have a permanent solution. Is it not? So we are talking about the real cause of the problem and we'll discuss that today. Next. Here is a simple physiological changes in the body. When there is stress, anxiety overload, blood vessels narrow and increased heart rate, blood pressure, muscles tighten. So I think I may not explain this slide, but still just for my sake, this is the normal blood artery, and due to the stress, the inner wall gets contracted. Immediately, the secretion of adrenaline takes place in the blood, and by the over-secretion of this hormone, the blood vessels and the arteries, they contract, the inner wall contracts. And if there is a contraction in the inner wall and the same amount of blood has to flow, naturally it will result in...
No human being touches that. Yes, sir?
Very mechanized.
Mechanized. It is mechanized. You go to Google or YouTube, you can search for it. You can find that one. Amazing. Very hygienic food, very tasty, and very neatly packed and served to the people. There are a lot of things which we need to know about this. And thank you very much, sir, the wonderful work you are doing for the world, not only for the, as they are serving whole world. How many of you know that one of the famous guy who died, Apple founder,
Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs, he was suffering with poverty in America. He never had money to eat full stomach, and he used to go to ISKCON temple every week, Saturday, to have a good meal. How many of you know this?
Yes.
Here it is my, I'm so happy that our Indian people served free food for an American guy who was famous.
Used to
I
walk.
told you,
Used to walk for 7 miles.
7 miles he used to walk for that.
He used to wait for next week to come and
come next week.
He used to sell, collect these kind of bottles and sell it.
Right.
Empty bottles.
Everybody. That's a great work, Islam organization is doing. We are amazing, sir. Thank you very much. Please keep that. Thank you.